So this is what happens when you have your oil changed at Pepboys. Notice the oil in there, all over the interior of the engine compartment. Notice the pooling of oil up here. Oil sprayed everywhere inside the engine compartment. And then there's oil in the driveway. And all over the bottom of the motor. And all down the undercarriage. Here's oil literally still dripping on the bottom of the car. Everything is soaked with oil. And the best part is, they told me they knew that there might be a small leak. That's my favorite, the nice pool of oil around the oil filter. So, moral of the story, don't have your engine oil changed at Pepboys.